Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for being here. It is Tuesday, which means you are cooking with me, with Forrest Brown. As always, it is my pleasure to be here with you, introducing you some delicious dishes from my home, from my work, from wherever I'm at, to your place. Think of me as your virtual chef, as your personal chef. And it's always a pleasure sharing my recipes with you. What did I make yesterday? I actually made a chicken dish, a very simple chicken dish that will knock your socks off. Absolutely delicious, so simple, so exquisite. Basically just throw everything into one big container and you bake it in the oven at 420 degrees. I do want to mention that for some reason this chicken took literally the amount of hours that a 10-pound turkey would take. It took 3.5 hours to cook this chicken. I believe it's because I stuffed the cavity with so many herbs and lemons, maybe. I don't know if it's because of the altitude. I think it's a little bit of both, the altitude and the amount of herbs and lemon that I stuffed the cavity with. But it turned out absolutely delicious. I used so many little different colors of baby carrots, red carrots and yellow carrots, purple carrots, red little potatoes and white potatoes. I did throw in 2 cups of water so the chicken can steam while it bakes. And basically just salt and pepper, some lemon leaves and garlic, of course, and onion. I believe that's about it. Herb-wise, I use fresh thyme and fresh oregano, fresh rosemary, and like I said, some lemon leaves from my lemon tree as aromatics. But do make it, do enjoy making it. Have yourself a glass of wine. It's absolutely tasty and delicious. Again, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next Tuesday for another show. Hope everyone is doing fantastic. I'm getting ready to leave and enjoy the day. Take care. I'll get this video as soon as possible. See you next week. Bye-bye. Okay, the chicken is finally done. I must say that it took a lot longer than expected, but that is what I'm trying to say about it depends where you're at, where you live. It depends on how long the cooking process will be. This is a fairly new oven, but it took literally 3.5 hours to cook. But it is amazing. I wish you could smell this and try it out. Well, time for presentation. watching me. I hope you make this meal. It is absolutely delicious. Delicious, crazy delicious. It was definitely worth the wait. Like I said before, and I'm going to keep saying it, it took a lot longer than predicted, but it's worth it. You know, it's how could you say no to this beautiful, exquisite, home-cooked meal? It's all about presentation, people. Again, I will see you next Tuesday for another cooking show. Thank you so much for watching me. Take care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And please do make my previous dishes. All of them are explosive in your mouth and relatively inexpensive to make. So, enjoy. Thank you so much again. Peace in your hood. Ciao. Hasta la vista. Au revoir. Adios. Goodbye. Bye.